Hi, welcome to Kirti's Kitchen Katta. So today we are going to make Panha, Kairi Panhe, which is made with boiled raw mango. And I have just boiled this Kairi raw mango here. It was like pretty big one. So what I did, I put it in a pressure cooker, and after 3 whistles, I'm just going to take it out. The pulp, I'm just taking the pulp. So if you see, the pulp was really like nice and soft. I'm just taking around 2 cups of pulp. I am not going to throw away this seed. It will be used later in some curry, just because it gives nice sour taste to the curry or amti or dal. So see, if you see, it's like nice and soft. The simple proportion is 1:1. So these were like around 2 cups of pulp. So I'm going to add 2 cups of jaggery when this pulp is hot. So it is easier for it to melt. This was 1 and 2. So if you see, there are still chunks of jaggery here. I don't like to put it on a mixie because it loses this beautiful greenish yellowish color. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to microwave this entire mixture for just about a minute, so the jaggery will be nicely melted. So this has softened the pieces of jaggery, and I'm going to leave it like this for a minute or 2, so it will be all melted. I'm going to keep stirring it also at the same time. Now we are going to just strain this syrup, or we are going to strain this whole mixture. So if there are any big chunks or anything, it will be strained, and we will have like nice and smooth paste. Now do you see, this is nice and soft after straining it. Now I am adding some Kairiche water, saffron water, to this. This water is nothing but the water in which I had put the kairi or the raw mango when I just boiled it. Do you see the beautiful color after we added the Kairiche? And now the last step is, I'm going to add the cardamom powder. So I'm adding around a teaspoon of cardamom powder to it. Stir. This is nothing but the concentrate for our panha. This you can put it in an airtight bottle or airtight container and put it in the refrigerator. It stays really good for around a month or so. If you want to keep it like for a longer time, I would suggest keep it in a freezer safe container, airtight container, freezer safe container, and put it in a freezer for later use. Now the best part is to make this yummy panha. I'm taking 2 or 3 tablespoons of this concentrate. Okay, let's take 4. The glass is little bit bigger. And we've already put the ice in it. This is a perfect summer drink. I'm going to just pour water in it. You can just adjust the consistency or adjust the syrup or the concentrate according to your taste buds. I'm going to just stirring, stir. If you want, you can garnish it with nice mint leaves. Doesn't this look really beautiful and divine? Wow. So we are going to taste it, enjoy it, and meanwhile you guys stay safe, stay happy, stay in the house, don't go out, and follow the guidelines, and please take care of yourself. Bye.